Hey, RV Jerry here. Wanted you to take a look. I got the roof finished. Of course, it's as dirty as pretty dirty out here. But I've completed my solar system. I've got the Harbor Freight panels. I've got 2 sets of those, so I have 6. And they're on these metal frames. And we've got the bars running all the way across in case I decide to get another frame. I don't know. It's not going to be a full-time situation. I got the cables. They run over there to the refrigerator vent, and then they go right inside, a hole right inside there in the cabinet. I could put some more back here, probably get the big ones and put up a 4 battery bank if I was to full-time RV in it. But that's what we got up here. Now I'm gonna go down and we'll take a look inside. I got 2 batteries inside. The regular one that's under the step, and another one that I just kind of move around. Right now it's under the table, but there's a nice spot right behind the chair. The one is right here under the step. Have to get a screwdriver to get that open. And it's little charging units right there. It's charging 13.2 volts right now, and it charges 4 amps. So it's like if you've got 10 hours of sunlight, you would have 40 amps put back in the battery. And really, this is the one that came in the RV, and we really just need to stay ahead of the refrigerator with this one. That's when the refrigerator's on. It uses that voltage. Once you lose your voltage, you drop down by 10 volts, then the refrigerator, regardless if it's on gas, it will shut off. Okay, the other 3 go into this unit here, and you can see I'm not focusing there. That's not good. It says manual. Okay, there we go. It's focusing. I've got a little 400 watt inverter there. Let's run a small TV or computer. I have a little TV there, and of course you've seen my other videos. We have a digital antenna stuck in my little short thing. The battery's just sitting right here right now. It's usually right behind my driver's seat. 3 days you have no problem. This one is a sealed up battery, a AGM battery, so that we don't have any battery acids floating around inside here. Okay, I think our little RV is ready to go again. Got the everything done. Got these things. This is cool. Now I was going to show you that TV TV antenna. What I did to it. Oh, this is almost in the sun. Let's see. There you go. I shortened the TV antenna so that you really don't have to worry about putting it up, putting it down. Just leave it up there. It just does what it does. Digital antenna, digital signal falls from the sky. It's not direct straight out from the antenna, sending antenna. It's an important thing for digital people to know, but that's the update on the Jamboree. The $700 RV. The $700 RV, which is now up to about, I think $2,500 total. That's it, total. Everything we've done to this thing. So got all the receipts and all that kind of stuff. Goes anywhere. We just came back from the Verde trip, Reno, and went around in Lake Tahoe, around that area. We went up the back way and then came back the freeway side. It's been over to the coast. It's been up these hills up here and up above Fresno here. It's a very good little RV. Okay, that's my upgrade. And that's my update of the upgrades. Thanks for watching. This is RV Jerry.